Grab man yan sa iyo, no? Grab.
Well, most everybody's eaten by now, but here's what's left of Mr. Piggy. Not much. There's still quite a few people outside yet. Just chatting, visiting each other, enjoying each other's company. Still got a lot of food left. Looks like we'll have leftover for days. Although I think some of the people are going to take some of this stuff with them, so shouldn't be too bad. See what's going on here. Alright, it's the kids' photo shoot. All the cousins.
Yan, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. O, sa inyo naman. 1, 2, 3. Yan.
Can you count that high?
1, 2, 3. Say cheese! Say maganda ko.